Saving money each month requires a thoughtful approach and discipline. So the first step is to assess your current spending habits. By tracking all your expenses for a month, you can identify where money is leaking, whether it's on subscriptions that you rarely use or impulse purchases. So once you have a clear picture, creating a budget that allocates a specific amount for savings each month is what you're going to need. Treating savings as a fixed expense ensures it's prioritized, not just an afterthought. All right. So next is you're going to automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to a separate savings account right after you receive your income. This way, you're less tempted to spend the money before saving it. Consider using a high yield savings account to grow your money more effectively. Another effective strategy is to cut back on non essential spending. Small adjustments like cooking at home instead of dining out or limiting discretionary purchases can add up over time, and it's helpful to review recurring expenses such as insurance or subscriptions to see if you can find cheaper alternatives. Finally, make use of cashback or reward programs for everyday purchases and redirect these savings into your savings account. By making these small changes, these consistent changes, you're going to be able to build up your savings month after month. Let me know if this helped.